Hello everyone, we have the good old, not too good Dewalt Drill DC827, and it's just angle is sometimes spinning, sometimes not. Okay, so definitely we need to check it. I'm using the adapter for the Li-ion batteries. And okay, let's start the assembly of this one. Okay, let's look how the armature looks here. It looks really not bad. Almost like new, of course. Have some dusts. And what can we see here? This pinion gear, have just take it out, and of course that can be the reason the motor spins and the gear is not. Okay, this one we have laid around here in my workshop for a long time, and what I have made, I have drilled a hole and put a rivet in, then sanded it out, and I hope that will work. Looks solid. And okay, now the field. Check the field will go like this, I think. Something like this. Okay, this one up, okay, this one will go like that. The field here, yeah, it will look good, I hope so. Okay, fit check, everything fits inside. Yep, seems that everything fits here. Okay, was interrupted by a phone call, and yep, trying to insert everything. Just make sure that everything fits here. Need to put the wires in place. Okay. I don't know, everything seems good here. We'll try to close it. I'm using the adapter for the Dewalt, just checking, okay. It looks nice. Okay, and it's hammers, so we got this one back to business again. Thank you for watching and bye.